Our next destination in Andaman was Havelock Island. Now the name changed to Saurabh Deep. To get here, one need to book a ferry from Port Blair. Government and private ferries both go there. Of course, private ones are quite costly and can range from 900 to 1500 INR, but they are fast and kind of luxurious if compared to government ferries. Private ferries takes around 1.5 hours to reach at Havelock in comparison to government ferries, which take roughly 2.5 hours. We online booked our seats for Havelock, which I will recommend. The program was to stay at Havelock for 2 nights and 3 days, and from there we moved to Neil Islands. At Havelock Island, accommodations are from beach number 3 and 5. What are lame names given to beaches in Havelock. But few have good names too, like Vijayanagar Beach, which is beach number 5, and where we stayed. There are plenty of hotels and cottages at Havelock. Opting cottages is good option, I feel. Though we slept quite late, as almost whole night we enjoyed at bar and beach, but we could not afford to lose morning here, which was indeed incredible. We again rented scooties here to explore the area. Havelock is beautiful. Lush green lands, blue sky with fluffy clouds, and of course fresh air, and not to mention of sudden rains. We went to see Radhanagar beach, which is beach number 7, and which comes in the list of 10 most clean beach of world, and we enjoyed this place at our best. For the next day in Havelock, we went to see Kala Pathar beach, which the fact I loved the most.
Let's see who will win. Who will...
And finally the time came when we all done the scuba diving, which was a thrilling experience for me. I will recommend to do scuba diving in Havelock as the water in this part is the cleanest. I hope you liked the video. Do subscribe the channel if you have not yet, and I'll see you in my next destination, which is Neil Island. Until then, have a wonderful time.